Hello, my YouTube friends. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download the KineMaster, the total number one Android video editor in 2021. We are going to see how to download it for free, the premium version, and get it on our mobile device. For that, we are going to be accessing. The link will be in the description for you all to do the direct download. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if the video is useful to you. We are going to be accessing the browser. I'm going to be leaving the link. Here I have the link already copied. We access it and we download. Simple. We just simply put it download. Yes. After we have the file download, I already have it downloaded and installed. So I have the KineMaster here, as we can see, the KineMaster modded version. A disclaimer: I'm not the owner of this modded version. This is created by the Mod Droid. Thanks to those guys. I'm just a user. But this is really good, very good. As you can see, we don't have no watermarks. We don't have no ads, disturbing ads. And we have all the tools, all the complete tools from the KineMaster Premium. We have all the assets. Asset store we can download for free, the different type of assets. The motion, text, sound, the videos, the image, background, all of them. After you have the app downloaded, you just install the application into your Android device. As we can see here, we have all the assets, the green, the curtain, we have the clip graphics, we have the images, we have the text, we have the music. We can download the musics. We can download the sound effects also. Disclaimer though, also we have to have rights. It's not good to use you can get copyright claims for some of these sound effects. We have to have the rights to it, to the owner. Yeah, so we have to have a little care with that. But yes, sir, we have the full version here of KineMaster. I hope it be useful to someone. Like I said, please like and subscribe the video if you see it useful to you. And till next time, thanks.